Most students see an indefinite integral like this and think they need a specific value for the constant c to find the final answer. But today, I am going to show you why that c actually disappears and how to solve this problem. First, we look at our function. W of x equals the integral of 40x over the quantity 2x squared minus 1 squared dx. Since the denominator has a higher exponent, x squared, than the numerator, this is our clue to set up the u substitution. So we start by setting u equals 2, x squared minus 1. Taking the derivative, we get du equals 4x dx. Now look at the numerator to make sure that x is already there to cancel out, or be replaced by our du. We have 40x in the numerator. Compare this to the du value, 4x dx, to see how much they differ. As you can see, 40x equals 10 times 4x. Therefore, 40x dx equals 10 du. Now let's replace the 40x dx with 10 du. Then replace the quantity 2x squared minus 1 squared with u squared. So our integral becomes 10 over u squared du. Since constants can slide in and out of integrals, we just pull that 10 out to the front and focus on the integral of 1 over u squared, du. Next, we integrate 10 times the integral of 1 over u squared, du. Remember that 1 over u squared is just u to the power of negative 2. Using the power rule, u to the power of negative 2 becomes negative 1 over u. Don't forget the constant, 10, so our integration equals negative 10 over u plus c. Now, let's substitute our x value back into the function. W of x equals negative 10 over 2, x squared minus 1 plus c. Now for the part that trips people up, w of 0 minus w of 1. Substitute 0 at first. So, w of 0 equals negative 10 over the quantity 2 times 0 squared minus 1 plus c. This simplifies to 10 plus c. Let's substitute 1 now. So, w of 1 equals negative 10 over the quantity 2 times 1 squared minus 1 plus c. This simplifies to negative 10 plus c. So, w of 0 minus w of 1 equals the quantity, 10 plus c minus the quantity, negative 10 plus c. The c's cancel out perfectly. Therefore, 10 plus 10 equals 20. If this step-by-step breakdown made things clear, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below on what topic you want me to cover next.